Hello, hello. I am just trying my little device here that I just bought. It's a holder to put a mobile phone onto a microscope. And I'm looking at a thin section here from Mexico. It's the Nealtican lava flow. It's connected to Popocatepetl volcano, and it's rather crystal rich mafic to intermediate lava flow. And here in the center, we can see a big feldspar crystal of plagioclase with the pajama stripes. And if I turn it, we have some extinction here. So very good. There's also some pyroxene in there and a little bit of olivine every now and then, but very crystal rich material. So gorgeous little rock, actually. There's also some bubbles here, these bluish grayish areas. They are actually bubbles, and there's some rather complicated looking olivine here in the center, the rhombic mineral there, and it's got some nice colors. If I turn it, it also has some extinction there. And this is a bit of a complicated fella, so it's got some different domains inside. But let's look more at the feldspar. So here's some larger feldspars. The feldspar seems quite zoned, and a lot of it in these prismatic shapes with white and gray. And here's some more intense minerals, and here's another little olivine. So, and the intense colors, the more intense colors, that should be pyroxene. And there's big vesicles in there, gas bubbles in there as well. Large plagioclase here. The other minerals seem to be a lot smaller. And yeah, what a nice little rock. So I can try to zoom in a little more. Let's see if this works. So it's a very cheap device. So I'm actually quite impressed it works at all. I didn't quite think it would, but let's see whether we can get this colorful little mineral there a little bit more zoomed in. So I need to obviously bring that into focus. So here we are. So I need to change my glasses now, but here we go. Interesting. And there seems to be a bit of a reaction rim surrounding this. And there we have some nice little feldspar that is zoned. And we have some of the more intensely colored pyroxene. And there is even an inclusion in this bigger plagioclase there. And most of the other minerals seem to be a lot smaller than the plagioclase. So plagioclase usually grows in the crust. So a lot of crustal storage, I would assume, has preceded that eruption. So the magma was stored in the crust and crystallizing happily and producing a lot of solidified minerals. Okay, let's zoom out again. And here we are. So very crystal rich lava flow from Mexico, from central Mexico at Popocatepetl volcano. And forgive me if I'm a bit, yeah, if I'm practicing it a little bit. Let's see if we can get this back into focus. Yes, here we are. So I hope you enjoyed this. All the very best. And yeah, nice zoned plagioclase up there. And very good. Thank you very much. All the very best and good luck.